Hello everyone, and welcome to today's Excel tutorial on how to find duplicate items in your spreadsheet. In this video, I'll show you two effective methods for identifying duplicates: conditional formatting and using a combination of index, match, and countif functions. With these techniques, you'll efficiently manage your data, make informed decisions, and streamline your data analysis. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, mastering these methods will enhance your Excel skills and empower you to work with cleaner and more reliable data. So let's dive in and learn how to identify and handle duplicates in Excel. Let's start with conditional formatting. This method allows us to visually highlight the duplicate values in our Excel sheet. Here's how it works. At first, select the range of cells where you want to find duplicates. Then go to the Home tab and click on Conditional Formatting in the Styles group. Now choose Highlight Cells Rules, and then select Duplicate Values. In the dialog box, you can customize the formatting style for the duplicates. For example, you can choose to highlight them in red or apply bold formatting. Finally, click OK to apply the conditional formatting, and voila! The duplicate values are now visually highlighted. Now let's move on to the second method, which involves using a combination of index, match, and countif functions. This approach allows us to identify duplicates by adding a flag or label to each duplicate item. Here's how it's done. First of all, enter the formula in a separate column. The formula is visible on the screen. Now replace A with the column letter where your data is located. Then drag the formula down to the rest of the cells in the column. This formula checks if the current cell value has occurred before and marks it as a duplicate by displaying the word duplicate. You can replace the word duplicate with anything else. And that's it. You've now learned two powerful methods to find duplicate items in Excel. Whether you prefer visual highlighting or using formulas to flag duplicates, these techniques will help you efficiently manage your data. Remember, you can choose the method that suits your needs and level of expertise. Practice these methods, and you'll become a pro at identifying and managing duplicate values in your spreadsheets. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more Excel tips and tricks. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore more exciting features in Excel.